This is the solenoid pack was taken out from Ford Explorer 2006, and this car has a problem. Reverse and forward gears are taking sticky and taking long time to engage the gear. Even reverse has a problem, sometime engaging, sometime it's not. So today I'm going to clean this one. This is we need to open this one, this back side. It's three of them. We need to open it. I will open it and I will show you people. And this is a harness. This is the connector which is inside the gearbox, and there is a 10 millimeter screwdriver which is coming from the connector to catch this one inside, and there is a 8 millimeter bolts. So when I will put it, I will show you people. So first of all, this is the stanner. We need to check this one for debris, for any kind of aluminum or any kind of broken or something, but this one has no problem, it's intact. And here is, we need to clean this one, which is this passages, this one. And I'm going to open the plunger inside the solenoid, and I will show you people how to clean this one. And I did this job on around 5 or 6 cars, and it works. In 95% it works. So here is how you will open these 3 solenoid back cover. It's very easy. How to open it? You need the one screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, like this screwdriver. You need it, and you need it little bit push like this, and you will go out. And you have to do 3 of them like this. And here inside there is a plunger. I think you people can see it. I can put it in front of the light. That is the plunger. This is T20. Before you take it out, this plunger, you have to check the depth, because you have to put it again in the same depth. I will show you how to check this one. We need to check the depth. We need it something like this electronic digital caliper. Like this. This plunger with the digital caliper. First of all, you need 0. Okay, then you have to open it, this one. Open like this. And we need to go through like this. So this is our depth. 10.55, 56. This is the first one. So when we will put it back, we need to put it back the same way. So we'll confirm the depth again, because we don't want to make any problem with this setting. It's the same. We can put it as a 10.60, 7.5 inch. Okay. So we will write it on one white paper, so we will remember this one. Taking all of them, the depth of the plunger, we need the T20 torque bit like this to open the plunger. You need like this. You have to open this one, all throw up. This is the plunger. Actually, this is the plunger. It's very dirty from inside. This is the one who's causing the plunger not to move. So gear shifting is taking time, or sometimes there is no shifting. This is the plunger. We will clean now this one. Okay, this is the first one. So we'll take it one, and the other one is here. We have to take this one, come on. We have to take it out this one, same way. And same way we have to take the third one. Need to, is little bit, torque is little bit stronger, but it will come. You need T20 torque bit to remove these plungers. And when you remove this one, see, this is the one. See, it's very dirty from inside. Even you can feel it on the top. And here, there inside, there is a small screw. Here I want to try to show you people. Small screw, small spring. Sorry, spring. This spring actually we don't need to take it out, but while we clean, we need to take it out. So you need the compress air, or you can put it down. It can go out. That's all. I finished this one cleaning, and I put it back, everything. Here you can see it. Everything I put it back according to the specs with this digital meter. And I clean its contact also, as there's no problem. And this is the passages of the oil, which is the solenoid open the oil and changing the gear. So this one we clean it, and inshallah it will work. And the most important, when you check this one, because if there is any problem in the gearbox, you will find aluminum chunks and debris on this screen here. So this is very important, not to broken these passages, and everything should be clean. And you clean it and refit it again. Hello friend, this is the car which has a problem of reverse. Okay, first of all, what I did, I removed this solenoid pack, which is actually the location is here, this one. And this is the connector of solenoid, this is. And this is the 10mm bolt, which you should have to remove from upside. Okay, if anyhow you clean this solenoid, and your reverse still not working, then what you should have to do, remove all this valve body. This is the 8mm bolt. All you have to remove this, all this valve body, and also this retaining spring. Okay, and then remove it, but very carefully. Put it down, and don't make it like this, because there is a check balls on the top here. Inside the valve body there is a check ball, and this is the gasket. Okay, remove this one, and this is the reverse servo. This is your reverse servo. You have to remove this reverse servo, and you will find there is a band, reverse band. So you can check from here, your band is okay. If your band is okay, or it is little bit worn, then you have to do, there is a plunger here, the piston. This piston, you have to check your piston. Maybe this is the bore is worn or something like this. This is the basically main problem of the reverse. This is your reverse servo, this one. Now I'm going to put this solenoid pack here, and this is the actual bolt. This is T20 bolt. It's coming like this here, and solenoid. And when you take it out or put it back, you have to remove your battery, positive or negative, it doesn't matter, but one wire you have to remove it. Now I'm going to put this back and I will show you people how to do it. Okay, I put this one, but I don't put all the bolt. But whenever you put this back, you have to put first this middle bolt, this one, so it will hold for you, it will not fall. Now I'm going to put all other bolt. Here is easy way to fill up the Ford. This is Ford Explorer, this oil. What is this? Actually I go to buy the urine bag from the pharmacy, and here is the oil inside. I make the oil inside, and this is going like this way, and this is the pipe which is came with the urine bag, and it's going like this. It's very easy to fill it up. I think you people can see it. This is the one. See, this is the pipe, this is the urine one. I put it from there inside, and I'm filling up the oil up, and it is going inside. This is the easy way to fill it by $2.